Hi, this is Mr. Patch. Welcome back. By now, we've already measured the volume of these jars in order. We also have measured the burn time for these jars, for the volume of air in those jars. And now what we're going to do is we're going to develop a hypothesis based upon that data that we already have. So I've got another size jar. It's smaller than these, probably smaller than that. It's probably somewhere right in there, in the middle. It's sort of hard to tell until we measure it, but we're going to take our best guess and use our data that we've already got on the jars and our graph to form a hypothesis of how long this is going to burn, and we're going to come up with that hypothesis before we ever measure the burn time. We'll see how close we get. So once again, I filled this up to 500. We're back at 500. And I'm filling this up. Last time I filled it up too much and it started overflowing. So when that happened, that's what happens in science. If there's something that goes wrong, you got to go back and fix it up, because there was no way I could have measured after I lost some of the water from spilling it. And I'm just about up here to the top. There we go. That looks great. So I see that I've got about 100, 5, 10, 15, 120 left. So that means this must be 380. So this is 380 milliliters. So your job now is to take this unknown and see how it fits into your graph that you've already constructed on Google Sheets, and write a hypothesis in the correct form. If, then, because. So if the volume of air is 380 milliliters, then the candle burn time will be how many seconds? How many seconds does your graph say? Fill that number in. If the volume of air is 380 milliliters, then the burn time will be some number of seconds, because that's what is supported by my burn time data. And that's our hypothesis, and we're going to find out if we're right.